What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are doing great and welcome to Roman Percussion. My name is Will Roman. On this channel, I upload different rhythms as well as tips to help you as a percussionist. So if that interests you, be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to leave a like on this video. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to play like a Samba Bossa Nova groove on the Cajon.
Yes, the infamous box that everyone talks negative about.
But it's one of my personal favorite instruments. Let's get started. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so already, be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also leave a like on the video. I hope you guys have a good weekend and I'll see you next Friday. Peace.